In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect a Mailerlite pop-up form to Wix website. We will start inside Mailerlite. Log into your Mailerlite dashboard, then go to the Forms section and open Pop-ups. From there, choose the pop-up form you want to use, or finish designing it if you are still setting it up. Make sure the layout, text, and form fields look the way you want, because this is the version your website visitors will eventually see. Once your pop-up is ready, click Save and Publish. After you publish the form, Mailerlite will take you to a confirmation screen. On that page, look for the Universal JavaScript Tracking Code snippet. This is the code that allows your pop-up form to load on your Wix site. Copy that snippet carefully so you can paste it into Wix in the next part. It is a good idea to copy the full code exactly as provided without changing anything, since even a small edit can stop it from working properly. Next, open your Wix dashboard in a new tab or window and log in. Inside Wix, go to Settings, then find Custom Code. This area is where you can add external code snippets that need to run across your site. Once you are there, click the Add Custom Code button in the top right corner. A code entry window will open. Paste the Mailerlite tracking snippet into the code text box. Before you apply it, take a quick moment to confirm that the code pasted in completely and that nothing is missing at the beginning or end. This helps avoid simple formatting mistakes that can prevent the pop-up from appearing correctly. When everything looks good, click Apply. That will save the custom code inside Wix so your Mailerlite pop-up can begin working through your website. After that, give Wix a moment to process the change. If needed, you can preview or visit your site to confirm the pop-up is loading as expected. If it does not show right away, refresh the page and allow a little time for the code to take effect, since custom code can sometimes take a short time to appear on a live site. That is the full process. You create and publish the pop-up in Mailerlite, copy the Universal JavaScript snippet, add it to the custom code section in Wix, and apply the change. That covers everything you need to know.